Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 13. The deficiency of nitrogen in a maize plant can be corrected by applying A. Potassium chloride, B. Muriate of potash, C. Sulfate of ammonia, D. Calcium carbonate. So we're asked for what you can use as a nitrogen supplement for plants, specifically in this case a maize plant. So the deficiency of nitrogen, what can you do to correct, or what can you apply to correct the deficiency of nitrogen? Option A says potassium chloride, B says muriate of potash, C sulfate of ammonia, D calcium carbonate. Now a quick clue to sort out which one can correct for the deficiency of nitrogen is to check for the one amongst the option, the substance amongst the option that contains nitrogen, the element nitrogen. So if it contains nitrogen, then of course it will give you an indication that it corrects for nitrogen deficiency. Now option A says potassium chloride. Of course potassium chloride is made up of potassium and chlorine, so its chemical formula is KCl. So it does not contain nitrogen, and hence you can't say it accounts or it can correct for deficiency of nitrogen, so it is not the answer to the question. Now muriate of potash is same as potassium chloride, or contains both potassium and chlorine. So of course, similar to what we had in potassium chloride, does not contain nitrogen, so it cannot correct the deficiency of nitrogen, so it is not the answer. Now sulfate of ammonia has the chemical formula NH4 2SO4. So this is sulfate of ammonia. So as you can see here, it contains the elements nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen, but basically it is used majorly as a source of nitrogen and sulfur, as it contains 21% nitrogen and 24% sulfur. So it contains nitrogen, and hence it can be used to correct the deficiency of nitrogen. So option C, sulfate of ammonia, is the correct answer to the question. Now option D says calcium carbonate, and of course it also does not contain nitrogen. This is its chemical formula, so it does not contain nitrogen and cannot be used to correct the deficiency of nitrogen. So as we have rightly established, option C, sulfate of ammonia, is the correct answer to the question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.